Hi, this is Mark Eisen for the 20-Minute Gourmet. Gourmet cooking in 20 minutes or less? Pretty difficult unless you follow the tips in this video, so let's jump right in. The first tip is an important one. Prepare and vacuum freeze your major proteins, like this thin-cut chicken breast, for use throughout the week or month, saving 1 or more hours per day. And stay tuned, we have 10 more great tips coming, so watch on. An inexpensive food sealer like this Food Saver allows you to protect items from freezer burn. Simply defrost or heat in the microwave and use these proteins for thousands of gourmet dishes. We also use the vacuum sealer when we get meat on sale to protect our purchases for 6 months to a year, again without freezer burn. We even prepare things like Italian sausage this way, so it works great for a lot of proteins. We purchase in bulk or when on sale. Label the packages with the date and what the package contains, although it's usually obvious whether it's cooked or raw. We even vacuum seal the raw meat for future preparation or for dishes where fresh meat is recommended. We cook the proteins in a very basic way using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Make sure it's garlic and onion powder and not salt, so that you can better control the amount of salt in your recipes. We call what we prepare base chicken, or base ground beef, or base pork, since these 4 seasonings are used in almost every gourmet recipe. In this video, we're going to focus on our base chicken, but it's the same process for all proteins. We'll have another video showing how we prepare this process for a whole chicken, so check out our channel for that one. Lightly salt, pepper, add onion powder and garlic powder. Just enough dusting to add flavor without overpowering the meat. Then, flip the breasts and do the other side equally. These breasts, by the way, are amazing in things like chicken sandwiches, baked chicken dishes, even to cut up in salads. Put them in a bowl and add some heart-healthy olive oil. That keeps them from sticking and readies them for frying without any additional oil. We cut up the pieces in various sizes, small squares for most of our cooking, but also in tenders, fajita style, and butterfly style. Let's prepare the base chicken. Heat a skillet to approximately 350 degrees, medium to medium-high on a gas stove. Since we've already put olive oil in the chicken, we don't need to add it to the pan. Cook in batches so that you're not overcrowding the pan, and you'll be impressed to discover that each batch cooks pretty quickly. You can even cook multiple batches at the same time if you can manage moving from pan to pan to pan. You can cook both sides of each batch in approximately 4 minutes. Watch as the edges turn white, then wait about 10 to 15 seconds and flip them. Use a spatula to separate the pieces, but be careful not to move or stir the pieces too much. That will make the chicken angry. Okay, well maybe not angry, but it will make the chicken a bit harder and not as tender. Let's summarize the major steps so far. First, buy in bulk or when on sale. Second, cut and cook the proteins. Third, vacuum seal, label, and freeze. Fourth, defrost or even cook in the bag while preparing the fresh herbs, fresh vegetables, or while frying onions or garlic. Let's continue. Empty each batch in a bowl or plate. Drain any extra liquid in order to leave the pan ready for the next batch. When we finish our bi-monthly cooking session, we'll have cube chicken, fajita-style chicken, and the thin butterfly chicken breast that we're cooking now. Notice the small bowl of liquid in the middle here. Some chicken breasts come with a lot of water, so make sure you empty that liquid for the next batch so that you can properly sear the meat, which locks in the juices. Once you vacuum seal, label, and freeze the batches, look how easy it is to prepare. For example, this beautiful lemon chicken Alfredo. If I would have had to wash, cut, season, and cook the chicken, it would have taken me way more than 20 minutes to finish this gourmet meal. Note that we also pre-cook rice and pasta for the refrigerator every week, which saves even more time. So, Enjoy making gourmet meals in 20 minutes or less with those 11 time and money-saving tips. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to support the channel. This is Mark Eisen signing off. See you next time.